How to connect ChatGPT to GitHub. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect ChatGPT to your GitHub account. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to simply log into your ChatGPT account and then you're going to click on your profile at the bottom left corner. Once you do so, you'll be able to see the option of settings. Click on that and you'll be able to see something like this. So from here, from the left side bar, you're going to click on apps. And then you're going to click on the button that says Explore Apps. Once you click on that, you'll be able to see all of the apps listed right here. So you're going to search for GitHub. If you're not able to find GitHub over here, you're going to scroll back up, click on Search Apps, and then you're going to type down GitHub over here and press Enter. Once you do so, you'll be able to see GitHub on the first number. So click on GitHub and you'll be able to see a button that says Connect. Simply click on this connect button, scroll down and click on continue to GitHub. So just wait for it to be redirected and then you'll be redirected to a page that will ask you to log into GitHub. But you could see that I had already logged into GitHub before. So it didn't ask me for sign up again. So now you're going to go to the new chat over here from the left side bar. And then when you go to user again, click on settings and then go to apps, you'll be able to see GitHub over here. Now it's written setup incomplete. So you're going to click on GitHub and then you're going to click on the three dots over here. And then you're going to click on settings. After that, you will be redirected to a page like this that would say install and authorize ChatGPT Codex connector. So you're going to scroll down and you're going to select whether you want some selected repositories or you want all the repositories to be loaded within your ChatGPT from GitHub. So now let's say I select all repositories and then I'm going to scroll down and click on install and authorize. After that, it's going to send you an email. So you're going to click on verify via email and then you're going to simply type that code down that you receive on your email. So this is the email that I received. So I'm going to copy this code from here and I'm going to go to my GitHub authentication page and simply paste that down. And after that, click on this green button. And now when you click on users over here and click on setting, here when you go to apps and you'll be able to see it's not written setup incomplete anymore. And then next you're going to head over to your chat over here and click on this plus icon. Here you're going to scroll down, click on more and click on GitHub. Now you're going to ask anything. So you can see that I typed the question down, that is name my repositories, and I'm going to press enter and we're going to wait for what ChatGPT responds. So now it's going to run the app request and give you the response. It says, I found these repositories in your GitHub account and it has listed all of the repositories. Now you can see that I do have these 5 repositories over here. So that means GitHub has been connected to my ChatGPT successfully. So that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out and I'll see you next time.